Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are enjoying the content so far, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. This video about Pakistan's economic crisis and possible solutions that can be implemented in a short time. Pakistan has been facing an economic crisis for several years, with high inflation rates, a widening trade deficit, and a devalued currency. The COVID-19 pandemic has only made the situation worse, with a significant impact on the country's economy. So, what can be done to tackle this economic crisis in Pakistan in a short time? Here are a few possible solutions. Attract foreign investment. One of the quickest ways to boost Pakistan's economy is to attract foreign investment. The government can work on improving the ease of doing business in the country and providing incentives to foreign investors. This can help create job opportunities and generate revenue for the country. Increase exports. Pakistan's trade deficit is one of the major reasons for its economic crisis. To reduce the deficit, the country needs to increase its exports. The government can provide support to the industries that have export potential and work on improving the infrastructure to facilitate exports. Tax reforms. The tax system in Pakistan needs significant reforms to improve revenue generation. The government can work on simplifying the tax system, reducing tax evasion, and broadening the tax base. This can help increase revenue for the government and reduce the budget deficit. Agricultural reforms. Agriculture is a significant sector in Pakistan, employing a large percentage of the population. The government can work on improving the productivity of this sector by providing better infrastructure, access to credit, and technology. This can help increase agricultural exports and reduce the country's dependence on imports. Energy reforms. The energy sector in Pakistan needs significant reforms to reduce the cost of production for industries and households. The government can work on improving the efficiency of the energy sector and reducing the reliance on expensive fossil fuels. These are some of the solutions that can help tackle Pakistan's economic crisis in a short time. However, the implementation of these solutions requires political will, commitment, and effective governance. With the right policies and strategies, Pakistan can overcome its economic challenges and emerge as a prosperous and thriving economy. The economic crisis in Pakistan has been a persistent issue for several years, with the country's GDP growth rate declining from 5.8% in 2018 to -0.4% in 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic has only worsened the situation, with the country facing challenges such as reduced demand for exports, a decline in remittances, and a drop in foreign investment. In addition to the solutions mentioned earlier, there are a few other possible solutions that can help address the economic crisis in Pakistan. Infrastructure development. The government can invest in infrastructure development to create jobs and boost economic growth. This can include the development of roads, railways, ports, and airports. Improved infrastructure can also help attract foreign investment and improve the ease of doing business. Education reforms. Education is a crucial sector that can contribute to economic growth. The government can work on improving the quality of education and providing vocational training to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. This can help reduce unemployment and increase productivity. Corruption control. Corruption is a significant issue in Pakistan that hinders economic growth. The government can work on implementing anti-corruption measures and increasing transparency to improve the business environment and attract foreign investment. Financial sector reforms. The financial sector in Pakistan needs significant reforms to improve access to credit and promote financial inclusion. The government can work on developing a more robust and efficient banking system and increasing access to microfinance and other financial services. In conclusion, the economic crisis in Pakistan requires a comprehensive approach that involves reforms in various sectors. The implementation of these solutions requires political will, commitment, and effective governance. With the right policies and strategies, Pakistan can overcome its economic challenges and emerge as a prosperous and thriving economy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.